welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about a game-changing hair care product for my type of hair, which is floating all over the internet, and I thought of giving this one a shot. So I'll be talking about L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum, which is meant for all types of hair. If you have curly hair, frizzy hair, wavy hair, super straight hair, very healthy hair, this is a product which is definitely going to work for you, as this product claims to be working really well on chemically treated hair. So if you hit style your hair a lot, if you have colored your hair has become a lot more frizzy, this is a product which is definitely going to work for you. It also helps in protecting your hair from UV damage, helps in reducing breakage. At the same time, your hair will be protected from any sort of heat damage if you use this product. So I have been using this product for quite some time. Now it's time to share my thoughts about it. Let's get started. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum, which was launched a long time back internationally, but it is newly launched in India, and you can definitely get your hands on it. It's completely a different type of serum which I have used till date. It's basically an oil in the form of serum. So it's a very lightweight, it's not at all greasy, it's not at all sticky, it's going to just absorb into your hair really well. At the same time, this particular product is a blend of some important, gorgeous, nourishing oils, which I'm going to talk about soon. So this is how L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum looks like. It comes in a very thick glass of bottle, which is orange in color, and it comes with a golden pump, which you just need to unlock at first, then pump out the product out from the bottle. To be honest guys, this particular bottle feels really luxury when you hold it in your hands. Since it's made up of glass, it's not so convenient to use. If you just go through my vanity, you will find most of the bottles which are made up of glass. So I don't mind it, it feels really good. I really love the packaging. So coming to the consistency guys, it is having a complete serum consistency, a clear serum texture, and when you just touch it, it feels slippery, but when you rub it between your palms and apply it on your damp hair, the product gets easily absorbed onto your hair. It feels as if your hair is actually drinking up the product, and you will not find any sort of residue of this particular serum on your palm, because the product completely gets absorbed onto your hair. It doesn't feel greasy. Although it's a blend of some nourishing oils, you will not find this particular serum to be greasy at all, and you are going to definitely love the texture of this particular product. So coming to the fragrance, as I have mentioned, the texture is really interesting, works so well on any type of hair. The fragrance is equally good. It has got a little bit of ambery, sort of musky fragrance, which is not at all strong, and it's going to linger on your hair for quite some time, and you're going to enjoy it. It's not going to give you any sort of headache. So the fragrance is non-irritating, and you're going to enjoy it as well. Coming to the ingredients, as I have mentioned, this particular serum is a blend of some gorgeous nourishing oils. It is a blend of 6 rare flower oils, a lotus, a tiar, a rose, a flax, a chamomile, and sunflower oils, which are really nourishing oils for your hair, which helps in actually adding a lot more nourishment to your hair so that you can get a really manageable, shiny, nourishing hair. Now coming to my hair type. So this is how my natural hair looks like. As you can see, it's very curly. It's also very frizzy and unmanageable, and you can see a lot of curls. At the same time, my hair is thick. Each hair strand is really thick, and I do have a lot of hair on my head, which sometimes become unmanageable for me, so I need to heat style my hair a lot. So in most of my videos, you will find me having straight hair, because I do use my straightener a lot to make my hair look manageable and more presentable. So for this reason, my hair becomes really dry, at the same time frizzy. So I need to reduce those frizziness to just steam down my hair and to just make it look really presentable. So it works really well on my curly frizzy hair. So now coming to how you can actually use this particular product. So guys, to be honest, you can use this product in a multiple ways. You can use it on your dry hair to add a lot more shine to your hair, to make your hair a lot more manageable. At the same time, you can use it before blow drying your hair, before just straightening your hair, or using any sort of curling bands, or before doing any sort of heat styling. you can definitely use it because it works so well as an heat protectant. It works so well in detangling your hair, so you can definitely use it on your wet hair, and you will be able to see that how easily you can comb your hair. At the same time, you can use it as a pre-shampoo treatment to just condition your hair, to just add a lot more shine and nourishment to the hair, since it has got a lot of nourishing oils in it. And lastly, you can use it as an overnight hair treatment, as I like to do. I basically take around 5 to 6 pumps of this and apply it generously all over my hair, concentrating mostly on the ends. At the same time, also apply it on each hair strand, leaving the roots, and then I leave it overnight, and on the next day I use my favorite shampoo and my conditioner to just wash it off. And it works really well as an overnight treatment because it provides enough nourishment to your hair as oil provides. So if you guys really love oil massaging your hair, you can definitely just use this product in place of oil, because it also contains 6 rare flower oils. And when my hair is wet, I also like to take around 1 to 2 pumps of this at the back of my hand, warm it up between my pumps, and evenly distribute it all over my hair, concentrating it on the ends, and then gradually move towards my root. But I don't apply this particular product on the roots because it works really well on the strands of your hair. So in this way, guys, I generally use this product and it works so well in taming down my frizz to some extent. At the same time, I have found that I don't need separate conditioner, because when you will be using this product as an overnight treatment, on the next day I do use conditioner, but it's not necessary. You won't feel the urge to apply conditioner because your hair will be not feeling that dry. So being a serum, this particular product works so well. You just need a little bit of this, guys, because the product is so rich. It works so well on your hair. You just don't need generous amount until and unless you are using it as an overnight mask or an overnight treatment, because this particular product works so well in just reducing the frizziness and smoothens your hair up to 87% for 24 hours, which is, I think, great. It works so well in hot and humid climate like we have, and you are definitely going to see visible result after you start on using it in your regular hair care regime. It also helps in preventing damage from sunlight by 43%. It also protects your hair from heat damage of 230 degrees centigrade, which is, I think, a great thing. So definitely, if you want to try a nice affordable heat protectant, I think this is a product which you can definitely try. Lastly, I can say, as I have mentioned, this product also helps in preventing breakage. So if you have really frizz-free smoothened hair, automatically you can comb your hair easily, so that will definitely help in preventing breakage. So finally, I can say I really like it, guys. I have incorporated in my hair care routine and I'm really enjoying it. It helps in defining my curls so well. So if you have curls or if you have straight hair, it's definitely going to work for your hair. It's not going to make your hair weigh down. This particular product is priced at rupees 499 for 100 ml, which is, I think, really affordable. Being a brand from L'Oreal Paris, it's a luxury product in an affordable range, which you guys can definitely try out. I'm going to put the links of this product in the description box, and if you want, you can definitely check that out. So I hope you really liked this video, guys, and if you did, make sure you hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more of these videos. A lot of videos are on its way. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye, guys.